Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings, and this is a video showing you the Najell Rise carrier. They advertise this as being used from birth, but it can't be. It doesn't adjust small enough to fit a small baby. So if you have this and you are trying to fit your newborn in it, please stop. Reach out to myself or another sling library or baby wearing consultant, and we will be able to guide you to a buckle carrier that does genuinely fit from newborn. So with this one, we're going to pop these shoulder straps, the bits with the black buckles on, over your head so that the black buckles will sit on the front of your chest and the straps will sit behind you like that. Then you will find your waistband. This is your waistband, and this will go up fairly high on your torso. You want baby's bum to sit in this piece of fabric here. So you want this to sit around where baby's bum is going to sit to keep their head on the firm part of your chest. So where that waistband goes will depend on the height of your child. Get that waistband on and you can tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and snug and not slipping around. And then we're ready for your child. Now, this doesn't fit from newborn because the width of this carrier here can't be adjusted. So it's at a width which will usually start fitting around the 3 to 4 month mark. Again, it will depend on the height of your child, but roughly around then. With carriers that adjust from newborn, this can be adjusted narrower and it will grow with baby, whereas this is just fixed. There are some adjustments under this flap here, a little pulley system where you can adjust the height of the fabric a little bit, but because the width doesn't adjust, it becomes very, very hard to fit a newborn safely in this. So find your baby and they will go up onto a shoulder and you will start to lower them onto the centre of your body. You want their hands up by their face, supporting them across their thighs to encourage those knees to tuck up higher than bum. And their legs, you need to pop them underneath this strap from the sides. So, there we go. Pop them under there, and then this panel of fabric is going to come up over their back. And when you pull this panel up, you want that fabric to come up to baby's earlobes so that it's supporting their neck up to the ears, but it's not covering their head. So we need their heads poking out of the top, and then we'll start to clip in. So these are lovely, easy magnets. So this black clip here, if you tuck that down your body slightly, it just clips on. It's really super easy. So great for those with limited mobility in their hands and fingers. Once that's clipped on, that's the only clip you need to do, and then we can start to tighten. So you'll find these straps under your arms, pull those forwards, pull them forwards, make sure they're roughly the same length so you know you've equally tightened each shoulder. Make sure baby's nice and snug against you. Depending on the height of your torso and the height of baby, you may have some extra flappy bits on the harness. Don't worry about them. I just tuck mine down into the waistband to get them out the way. They are not an integral part of the carry, so they don't affect the safety of baby. So it's absolutely fine. Some people with taller torsos wouldn't have it all loose. Then once baby's in, we can check safety. So we make sure that baby's head is high on the firm part of our chest to keep their airways unobstructed. We make sure with a quick glance we can see their airways, check that they are clear and visible, and we make sure that baby's body's nice and snug against ours so that they can't slump or fall out. Some babies may have their arms out of the sides of the carrier, but ideally pop their hands in by their face because this is much more natural position for them to be, and as they get older they can move them where they want them. The bottom of the carrier should be supporting across baby's thighs and bum into the pits of their knees so that they're nicely supported across their seat. And then you can check your comfort, make sure this strap on your back is at a comfortable point on your body, make sure you're nice and comfy, and then enjoy your snuggles. And when you're ready to take baby out, you can unclip these magnets by pinching those green bits and popping those off. peeling this down off of baby and popping them out. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to help.